how to use the PayPal Business app for invoicing. To get started, open the app and log in with your PayPal Business account info. You can send and manage invoices in seconds from the home page of the app by tapping an option from the Invoicing section or on the invoicing icon itself in the bottom menu. Start a new invoice by tapping the plus sign at the top of the invoicing page, or if you'd like to use a specific template, just tap the gear icon. Pick from any of the 3 default templates, as well as any template you created on PayPal.com. Then hit Bill To and select a recipient from your list of customers. Or tap the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new customer. Fill out your customer's information and tap Add. Next, enter the items or services you're charging for by tapping Add Item or Service. Tap in the item name, optional description, per item cost, quantity, and any tax rate you need to use. Then tap Add. You can customize the invoice with optional features like allowing partial payments, allowing tips, adding a note or an attachment, and more. Tap Send if you're ready to bill your customer, or hit Save if you need to adjust your invoice settings further. To manage your invoicing settings from the home page of the app, tap the Invoicing icon, then tap the gear in the upper left. To create and save items or services that you can quickly add to your invoices, tap Items, and then hit the plus sign in the top right corner. Fill in the item or service name, price, currency, tax rate, and a description. Then tap Add Item. If you want to save frequently used tax rates, tap Taxes, and then Create New Tax Rate. Enter a name, the rate, and then tap Add Tax. When you're done with your invoice, tap Send, and we'll email the bill to your client. We'll also email you a link to the invoice that you can then share via text message or social media. Your customers can pay with a credit or debit card, their PayPal account, or with PayPal Credit. And when their payment hits your PayPal account, you get a notification right away. With the PayPal Business app, you can invoice in just a few taps, get paid fast, and stay on top of your business on the go.